Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty and easy tulle flower. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It motivates me to keep making videos. Prepare your tulle fabric, and to cut such perfect straight line like this, I use a rotary cutter. Take the transparent ruler and we cut our fabric with the size about 1 to 1.5 inch wide like this. You can see it's a perfect straight line. Now we need to cut the fabric with this scallop template. If you want a perfect shape, you can cut this with soldering iron. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric with soldering iron, please see the description below. I even show how to make our own template. If you don't want to use soldering iron, you can just use scissors to cut this. Now I will show you how I cut this with scissors. Take your scallop template and we start cutting like this. You can search this template on Google with the keyword scallops template. Our fabric has been cut and you can see the scallop shape. Now I will show you how I cut this fabric with soldering iron. We heat up the soldering iron and start cutting with our template like this. Tulle fabric is easier to cut compared to other fabrics like satin, chiffon, and lining fabric. You can see the perfect shape here. And we cut this until the end of our fabric. For the length, I use the width of fabric, which is 60 inches. If the width of your fabric is 45 inches, then 45 inches is fine. You can see the scallop shape is really nice. We need to gather this strip of fabric with needle and thread. But to make it fast, I'll just use sewing machine. Now gather the fabric. Tie a knot at one side. And when you gather, not too tight and not too loose. To arrange the flower, take the stamens or pistils, secure with hot glue, attach here, and this will be the center of our flower. To make a flower with stamens or pistils as the center, I find it easier to attach using hot glue than hand stitch. To finish this off, cut this and secure with hot glue. Our pretty tulle flower is done. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.